welcome back to Camera Lab, where I break down the smartest tech buys in a fun and simple way. Today, I'm excited to share the top 9 best student camera deals that are perfect for beginners, kids, and creative learners who want great quality without overspending. Whether you're starting photography, vlogging, or just capturing everyday memories, these cameras offer amazing value. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and find your perfect camera today.
Kids 4K digital camera. I love how this Kids 4K digital camera makes photography fun and simple for beginners. It delivers sharp 4K video and clear photos, which is impressive for such a compact design. The buttons are easy to understand, so learning feels natural instead of frustrating. I noticed the lightweight body makes it comfortable to carry anywhere, whether traveling or playing outside. Battery life holds up well for daily use, and the durable build handles small drops confidently. This camera also includes creative filters and basic editing features that spark imagination. It's perfect for students who want to explore photography without complicated settings. Overall, I think this camera balances performance, durability, and ease of use really well. If you want an affordable entry into high-quality video and photos, this one is absolutely worth checking out. 4K Compact Kids Camera. This 4K compact kids camera surprised me with how much power fits into such a small body. It records crisp 4K video while remaining extremely portable, making it ideal for everyday use. I like how the compact size encourages kids and students to carry it everywhere, capturing spontaneous moments easily. The simple menu system helps beginners learn fast without feeling overwhelmed. Photo quality is bright and detailed, especially in good lighting. It also includes fun shooting modes that make creativity exciting. The sturdy casing gives peace of mind during travel or outdoor use. For students who want something simple, modern, and reliable, this camera checks all the right boxes. It's a great balance of quality and convenience at a budget-friendly level. Kids Travel Digital Camera. When it comes to adventures, this Kids Travel Digital Camera is a solid companion. I really like its lightweight design, which makes it easy to pack and carry on trips. The camera captures clear photos and smooth video, perfect for documenting memories on the go. Its durable build handles bumps during travel without worry. The interface is beginner-friendly, allowing students to focus on creativity instead of settings. Battery performance is reliable for long days of exploring. I also appreciate the colorful design that feels fun yet practical. This camera encourages young users to tell stories through photos and videos wherever they go. If travel, learning, and creativity matter to you, this is a great option to consider. White 4K Kids Camera. This white 4K kids camera stands out with its clean design and impressive performance. I like how it combines style with functionality, making it appealing for students who want something modern. The 4K video quality is sharp and vibrant, while photos come out detailed and bright. The controls are simple, which makes it easy for beginners to start shooting right away. Its compact size fits comfortably in small hands or backpacks. The camera also includes creative filters that add fun to everyday shots. Durability is solid, handling daily use without issues. Overall, this camera feels like a great mix of design, quality, and ease of use. It's a smart pick for learners wanting reliable performance. Pink Kids Vlogging Camera. I think this Pink Kids Vlogging camera is perfect for students who love creating content. It's designed with vlogging in mind, offering clear video and smooth performance. The color adds personality while still feeling practical and fun. I like how easy it is to set up and start recording, even for first-time users. Audio quality is decent for casual videos, and the camera handles lighting surprisingly well. Its lightweight body makes long recording sessions comfortable. The simple interface helps users focus on storytelling rather than technical settings. If you're interested in vlogs, short videos, or creative projects, this camera makes the process enjoyable and stress-free from the very first use. 4K Flip Screen Kids Camera. This 4K flip screen kids camera is a favorite of mine for creative students. The flip screen makes framing shots and recording videos incredibly easy. I love how it encourages confidence when filming or taking selfies. Video quality is crisp and photos look sharp and colorful. The controls are intuitive, so beginners won't struggle learning how it works. Its sturdy design holds up well to regular use. Battery life is solid for daily recording sessions.
This camera really shines for vlogging, presentations, or creative projects. If you want flexibility, visibility, and quality in one affordable package, this flip-screen camera delivers excellent value overall. 2.7K dual-screen kids camera. The 2.7K dual-screen kids camera offers a unique experience with screens on both sides. I like how the front screen helps with selfies and videos, while the rear screen handles regular shots. Video quality is smooth and clear for learning and everyday recording. The design feels sturdy and comfortable to hold. It's easy to navigate menus, which makes it beginner-friendly. I also appreciate the creative modes that inspire experimentation. This camera encourages confidence in front of the lens and behind it. For students who enjoy interactive features and flexibility, this dual-screen setup is a big plus. It's a fun and functional choice for creative exploration. FHD Kids Point-and-Shoot Camera. Sometimes simple is best, and this FHD Kids Point-and-Shoot camera proves that. I like how it focuses on ease of use while delivering reliable full HD quality. Just point, shoot, and enjoy clear photos and videos. The lightweight design makes it perfect for everyday carry. Controls are straightforward, helping beginners build confidence quickly. It's durable enough for daily use and casual travel. Battery performance is consistent, which is great for learning sessions. This camera is ideal for students who want hassle-free photography without complex settings. If you're starting out and want something dependable and fun, this point-and-shoot option is a smart pick. 4K 64-megapixel kids camera. This 4K 64-megapixel kids camera truly impressed me with its high-resolution photos. The 64-megapixel sensor captures sharp details, making images look vibrant and clear. Video quality in 4K is smooth and enjoyable for creative projects. I like how the camera balances advanced specs with simple controls. It feels comfortable to hold and easy to carry around. The sturdy gull supports daily learning and exploration. Creative filters and modes add fun to photography sessions. This camera is great for students who want higher image quality without complexity. If you're looking to step up your photo and video game while keeping things simple, this camera delivers excellent performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this breakdown helped you find the right camera for your needs. Each option on this list offers great value, ease of use, and features perfect for learning and creativity. Whether you're into photography, vlogging, or everyday moments, there's something here for you. Remember to check the links in the description for pricing and details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to Camera Lab, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. I'll see you in the next video with more awesome tech picks.